It's important for pregnant women to get adjusted because of the physical, chemical, and emotional changes that are going on in the woman's body. And many times we find misalignments in the lower region where there's a lot more stress being placed on the spine. And if we can manage that part of the woman's body during pregnancy, it makes the pregnancy easier on her and more comfortable. And there's many reports that women also experience a faster labor, a more comfortable labor, and less painful delivery as well. So keeping the body in balance is the key, and that's really where chiropractic excels at during pregnancy. So with my wife, I mean, that was part of her care, was keeping her balanced, and it made a difference. And we had all 3 of our kids at home, no drugs, no surgery, no nothing, and the kids are still alive. So we're excited about that.
That's good.
So yeah, I would definitely recommend, at least for a pregnant woman, to get checked.